My name is Lamont Marshall. I've been with Limitless Male for 6 months and I'm a corporate trainer. Life before treatment for me was just okay. Recovery from my workouts have been a little less. My sleep was becoming even more of an issue that I've been battling. And just kind of feeling sluggish and tired.
When Lamont first came in, he was a very genuine guy, very friendly. We had a good conversation. Obviously, he fit right in with the environment that we have here. When I got to know him and got to talk to our provider Murph about some of the things that he was going through, a lot of the things were fatigue and just energy levels being low, and brain fog. Brain fog for sure was an issue in the beginning. Getting
done with my workouts, I felt sore for days. One night when I was in the middle of working, I just happened to look up and saw a commercial for Limitless and talking about how they have some different things that could help with the symptoms that I was exhibiting. When I was having problems, for example, for sleeping, I've tried pills, I've tried different machines, I've tried different pillows, weighted blankets, a variety of different things, and nothing just seemed like it was really doing the trick.
He wasn't getting good quality sleep. It wasn't restful sleep. He had a hard time waking up in the morning. Definitely had some motivation issues that came from that. By jumping in and trusting the process and getting on ipamorelin in conjunction with TRT and using Limitless Sleep, that is something that has completely changed for him. And you can see it from the way that he comes in and he interacts with us, just the way that he walks coming in, and just it's a fantastic thing to see in a patient.
I'd like to think of Limitless Male, even though it is a medical clinic, you're not treated like that. I know when I go and see my personal family physician, I feel more like a number. It's not like Limitless Male where when I come in here, people know your name. You know, people talk with you, they say hi, they talk about experiences outside of here that you can relate to. And I think that's probably the unique thing about Limitless Male is that, you know, they're focused only on males. You know, they're not focused on kids like your family physician, they're not focused on females. You know, they're probably not looking for a wide scope of different medical symptoms. You know, they're focused on purely what is going to help you be a better person than what you were.
Even though Lamont came to us and was already in good shape and doing really well and making good lifestyle choices, he just got better. By being on TRT and giving us his goals and, you know, us doing what we can, primarily Merv doing what he can with medications and treatment, we got him to a better place.
The things that you're going to experience at Limitless Male are going to be different than what you would experience anywhere else because one, they're going to come in, they're going to test you. And like me, I found out I had low testosterone, which only is a natural thing that happens with age. So they're going to test you and see what your levels are at. That way, everybody's well informed and knows what situation we're going to work with. And then the next thing they're going to do is they're going to just talk with you candidly to assess your goals. You know, what is it you're looking to get out of this? What are you trying to improve? You know, if you are experiencing any symptoms, and a lot of this just comes gradually over time with age, if you're experiencing any symptoms that just don't align with, you know, how you want to be, where you want to go in life, then I would come to Limitless Male and at least have a free assessment done.
There are a lot of younger patients who come in. Not everybody is over the age of 60. Not everybody has erectile dysfunction. Not everybody even has low T. But when he came in, you know, there were ways that we were able to help him. And by getting on other medications, again, trusting the process, he has optimized everything. He's getting more out of the gym. He's sleeping better. He's thinking better. He just is a better Lamont than the Lamont that we met when he started treatment here.
This is a service that should have been around a long time ago. You know, the type of camaraderie that you get with other people that might be experiencing the same problems, you're not going to get anywhere else. And so if you've tried everything else, then Limitless is probably the last place that you're going to need to turn to because they're going to welcome you, they're going to get you the help that you need, and you're going to be able to accomplish your goals.